Amazon, Lamborghini, Apple, Alibaba, eBay, TripAdvisor, Priceline, Yandex, Blue Nile. Do you know what all those companies have in common, apart from being multi-billion-dollar companies? If you ever check out their websites, you'll see that they don't talk about their products and services. They don't tell their customers how good their products are. Instead, they show how good their products are. 90% of their websites are full of visuals. Stunning images and colorful designs instantly hook their visitors and literally hold them by the hand to intelligently lead them to the call to action button, all while helping visitors create an image of them using that product in the near future and feeling good about themselves. That is the power of good designs. Now, big businesses invest millions of dollars every year in good designs and logos because they understand the secret to capture their visitors' imagination and put their product right at the center of it. And using great visuals isn't a genius idea for whoever first came up with it. Fact is, it's pure common sense, and it has been around since the ages. You know, until very recently in human economic history, brick and mortar businesses were the way to do business because they gave their visitors a chance to see and feel the product they were selling. Let them live it for a few seconds and feel it was the mantra. But then came the era of online business, and showing great visuals and designs was the closest thing that every online business could do to make their visitors feel their product. Your product may be A-class in the market, but if the page you are using to sell it looks shabby or plain boring, you could say goodbye to any customer who comes to check out your product. Visual component is everything. I have listed out some statistics on this page that you'll see when you scroll down. Every study has reported that good designs and graphics have an enormous effect on the kind of sales you can expect on your offers. But here's the hard part. Jaw-dropping graphic designs can break the bank for most companies and businesses, and so business owners compromise on mediocre designs, and therefore they compromise on the kind of profits that they could have made. So far, there's two ways businesses get their graphics designs. One, hiring full-time designers or freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and this is what breaks the bank for them. And two, some even try to get a monthly subscription to complicated tools like Photoshop and try to self-learn creating graphics watching YouTube videos. Now, the problem is that they keep looking for a friend or someone who knows a little bit of Photoshop to help them out. And also, when was the last time you logged into one of the so-called cloud-based designing platforms to create a new design or to make a small edit in your previously created graphics? You would log in, tweak a design, re-download it, and then log into your WordPress admin and upload the new version of a design or image. Would you actually do all that? It's a complete waste of time and money, let's face it. What if you could do everything from within your existing WordPress dashboard in one go? That would make it simpler. I'm talking about creating new graphic designs and editing any existing image by just clicking on it on any of your website pages and blogs. Hey, this is my passion to create solutions that help marketers, bloggers, website owners, and everyone trying to sell something online to run their business more efficiently and with ease. And today, we have brought you a tool that helps you create stunning graphics from right inside your WordPress dashboard. Yes, you can now dump expensive and complicated cloud-based tools like Photoshop and Canva and create and sell for a premium fee stunning graphic designs like eye-catching and engaging images for your website, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, Pinterest posts, Google Plus posts, YouTube channel art, Twitter headers, Facebook clicks to website ads, Facebook website conversion ads, Facebook page post engagement ads, Facebook page likes ads, Twitter lead generation cards, Twitter promoted tweet, infographics, gift certificates, and more. Introducing DesignLikePro. DesignLikePro plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress, giving you the access to the web's most powerful design platform. You can now download the premium plugin and use it on your WordPress websites. There are 1001 free premium quality layout templates included in the DesignLikePro template library that are completely free to access with your direct DesignLikePro license with limitless downloading. Now, within a few seconds, you could build covers for your pages, designs for your blog posts, and dope visuals for your WordPress by simply selecting the template you want, customizing it using our drag and drop builder and editor. Here's an opportunity for you to not only add substantially to your bottom line by creating engaging graphics that literally hold your customers by the hand and lead them to the call to action buttons, rather also help other businesses by creating such designs for them and charging them whatever you'd like. Now, the DesignLikePro team does work relentlessly to produce new free templates which are added to your account every month, helping you create stunning designs within seconds and making massive profits by getting amazing conversion rates. See how fast and easy it is to create stunning designs with DesignLikePro in this short video. am sure you're absolutely blown away with the power of DesignLikePro, and you are not alone. These seasoned marketers felt the same way when they got access to this powerful plugin. Here is what some of them had to say once they used DesignLikePro.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob Reese here, wealthwithrob.com. I just wanted to say a big thank you to Daniel and his team for putting together DesignLikePro. This plugin for WordPress is absolutely brilliant. Anytime I need an image for my blog posts, this is what I'll be using from now on. Absolutely incredible. Pick it up, guys. You don't want to miss this one. Everybody needs this one. Take it easy.
Ashraf here, just recording a quick testimonial and video for my friend Daniel Adetunji and his new product DesignLikePro. Now this is a super cool tool. I've been using it in my business now for just a few months since Daniel showed me, and it's very good, very effective and very efficient. Now I want to walk you through why and how we use it in our business. Now I don't know if many of you know me. Whoever's watching this video, I don't know if you know me. So of course, my name is Abdullah Ashraf, and I run this program called Mad Since Reborn, and I teach people how to build viral news sites and drive traffic to them using Facebook. As now, a key part in these viral news sites is making this content attractive, making it appealing, keeping people engaged, and keeping them till the next page. So we want them to keep reading, going on to the next page, and that's how we make more money with this business model. And so with images, it's proven, with the infographics, etc., it is proven that this content is more engaging, more interactive, and there's high alert and high response to this content. And so we've been testing this out, and it's just proven right. And using DesignLikePro, we've been able to do this very efficiently, and that's why I said earlier it's very efficient and effective, because thing is effective because they give you templates. Okay, you're not just creating random images off the top of your head, random ideas. The templates are there, you just plug straight into them, and you just change out the text, change out the color, or add a new image here, add your face in the corner, or add like some fruits in the corner, whatever it is about the article, whatever you need to do, you can do that inside the editor, and it's super smooth. And the great thing is that it's a plugin, so it plugs straight into your WordPress site, and then you can edit your content as you go along. So as you're uploading this, as you're creating these posts, you can edit it as you go along. So that's one of the most coolest thing about this tool, about the software. And I highly recommend you check it out. I highly recommend you get it. And if you need more advice further on how you can implement it in your viral news business model, then sure, come to me, I'll give you advice for free, etc. But right now, time is of the essence. This is a launch, next few days this is going to go down, the price is going to go up. It's just how it has to be, unfortunately. And you could possibly lose access, or cheaper access, or early access to this tool. And honestly, you want to have a hold of this, because the last thing you want is being hit by a copyright strike for having stolen images, and it's really hard to keep up with having royalty-free images all the time, or paying for royalty-free images. It can become an expensive process using sites like Shutterstock, etc. So I'd highly recommend you just get a hold of DesignLikePro, design your own images, create your own images, and save yourself from all this hassle. And
Wajid Ibrahim here, and if you've ever seen my content, I always use fantastic graphics. And when people ask me, the truth is I've always used Photoshop, alright, because I'm good with Photoshop. And so the problem I find, most people don't even have Photoshop to use. They don't even have the skill to create such, and they don't even have, and otherwise they have to go and pay people on Fiverr and pay some huge amounts, to create your content. And you absolutely need imagery for your content. And that's when I discovered Daniel Adetunji's DesignLikePro. It's a WordPress plugin, which means all you got to do is install it on your blog, install it on your site, and you can absolutely create graphics right there in your site for your content. Because without images, text is just so boring, right? You absolutely need images, and DesignLikePro helps you do that. I gotta say, it's another big one for my brother Daniel Adetunji. This is absolutely awesome. You need to check it out. Save yourself the time, the headache, and the money. All right? Cheers, guys. Lovely one by Daniel Adetunji.
And not just experienced marketers, DesignLikePro has a fast-growing tribe of customers who absolutely love using it to create original designs at last that are relevant to their products without the fear of copyright issues, without any technical skills, without any designing and coding skills, heck, even without any long learning curve. I invite you to join these happy customers and take full control of how your business looks, giving it a much-needed personal touch. No one knows your business better than you. Your small investment is backed by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Just try DesignLikePro, and if you aren't absolutely blown away with what you can do with it, feel free to reach out to us within 30 days and get your money back right away. Now scroll down below to check out DesignLikePro in detail. I am so excited to see you in the members area.